Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to share Google Calendar with others. So guys, first thing that you will do is you could just simply select your calendar that you have your time with or task with, and after that just simply select these three dots over here beside your calendar, and you will have a drop down which is settings and sharing. So guys, from here just simply select this one over here, and after that just simply scroll down a little bit, and you will have an option here, shared with. So from here you could just simply add people over here and groups, and from here you could just simply provide their email address or name, and from here you will have multiple options. You can give them access to see all event details, make changes to events, and make changes and manage sharing. So pretty much this will be depending on your own preferences, and after that you can just simply select send, and from there guys an email will be sent to them, and they have to accept it in order for them to access the Google Calendar. And you can get the shareable link as well over here by just simply copying this link, and with this link only people you allow can access your calendar, and just simply send the link to them. And from here you have an option to make the calendar available in public as well. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.